Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. So now let's all get ready for our prayer. First thing, we'll begin our day with a prayer. So all of you join your hands, close your eyes, and I hope you remember the prayer. You will say it silently. I'll also say it now. Join your hands, close your eyes, all of you. Bhavika, Ashika, join your hands. Our Father in heaven, holy be your name. Your kingdom come, your will be done on earth as it is in heaven. Give us today our daily bread and forgive us our sins as we forgive those who sin against us. Do not bring us to the test, but deliver us from evil. Amen. Okay, a very good morning to all of you once again, children. Now, today we begin with our second term, children. We begin with our second term today. Roshni, we begin with our which term today? Roshni, can you hear me, Roshni?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I just said we begin with which term now today?
Second.
Second term, very good. So we begin with our second term today, children. दैट इज़ योर फाइनल टर्म क्लास 1 में आप लोग आए और उसके बाद फर्स्ट टर्म की हम लोग ने स्टडीज करी, एग्जाम्स करे, यूनिट टेस्ट करे. नाउ वी फिनिश विद द फर्स्ट टर्म. अब हम सेकेंड टर्म में आज से एंटर हो गए हैं, फाइनल टर्म. ओके, so now what you have to do is listen very carefully to the instructions that I'm giving you. Shiv, fold your hands straight. Okay, now listen carefully, children. सेकेंड टर्म के लिए आपको कोई भी न्यू कॉपी नहीं बनानी है. कोई भी न्यू कॉपी आपको नहीं बनानी है. जो आपकी सब्जेक्ट्स की कॉपीज हैं जिसमें आपने फर्स्ट टर्म का काम करा है, उसी कॉपीज में आप सेकेंड टर्म का भी काम करेंगे. आपको सिर्फ इतना करना है, जहां पर आपका फर्स्ट टर्म खत्म हुआ है उसके बाद एक फ्रेश पेज आप खोलेंगे, उसमें आप लिखेंगे सेकेंड टर्म. उसमें आप लिखेंगे सेकेंड टर्म. आई विल बी सेंडिंग यू अ पिक्चर. उसी तरह से आप फ्रेश पेज पर सेकेंड टर्म लिख देंगे. एंड दिस यू विल डू फॉर ऑल योर कॉपी. हमारे जितने भी सब्जेक्ट्स हैं उनकी सारी कॉपीज में आप एक फ्रेश पेज पर सेकेंड टर्म लिखेंगे. देन इवन इन योर रजिस्टर, जो आप रिविजन रजिस्टर, रफ रजिस्टर यूज करते हैं, देयर ऑल्सो यू विल राइट सेकेंड टर्म. ओके, another thing, certain points you have to keep in mind. Every day you have to do your revision work. Whatever I teach in class in the morning, the same day make sure that you are revising everything, and your tables have to be learnt daily. Every day you will sit with the table book and revise your tables. Then numbers also, every day you are going to revise your numbers. All the new words that you come across in the various subjects, you have to learn up the spellings of those words. You have to do reading every day. जब आप ये सारी चीज़ें रेगुलर करेंगे, डेली करेंगे, तो जब हम फाइनल एग्जाम्स के टाइम पर आएंगे, यू विल नॉट हैव अ प्रॉब्लम कि आपको सब कुछ एक साथ बैठ के लर्न करना है. जब आप डेली लर्निंग वर्क, रिविजन वर्क करेंगे तो आपको कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं होगी. I hope you all got that much. Give me a thumbs up. Did you hear everything what I said? Yes, give me a thumbs up. Okay, fine. Another thing, children, you need to do cursive writing pattern. Your writing pattern you have to practice every day. One page of writing you will do. Every day we will do 1 page of writing, children, because some of you, your letter formations are not correct. कुछ बच्चे M लिखते हैं तो वो N की तरह बनाते हैं, कुछ बच्चे N को और H को मिक्सअप कर देते हैं. The loop for H is little long. Okay, so your H should not look like N. You have to be very careful with your letter formation, children. Another thing, you must do lot of reading. You must practice reading every day. अपने सब्जेक्ट की कोई भी बुक लेकर एक टाइम फिक्स कर लीजिए जिसमें आप डेली रीडिंग करेंगे. That's very important. Alright, now I think I've given you almost all the instructions and you've all heard me very carefully. You will follow them for the second term. Manvi, did you hear everything?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good. Shanawaz, did you hear everything?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, and put your hand down, sit smartly. Now we are going to begin with our studies, your English language. I told you we'll be doing language today. So you open your books to page number 28. Page number 28, children. Alright, now page number 28, put over there today's date. Put today's date there. Vikhyat, Arjun, put today's date there. Arjun, I cannot see you. Ishi, I cannot see you. Alright, I hope everybody's put the date there. Now put over there second term. उसी पेज पर टॉप में जहां पर स्पेस है, put over there second term. SECOND, second, then term, TERM. SECOND, second, TERM, term. All of you have put second term there. Give me a thumbs up. Abdul? Okay. Alright, now put your pencils down, fold your hands and sit straight, children. Okay, now today we are going to begin a new topic that says, to whom does it belong? To whom does it belong? इसका मतलब है कोई चीज किसी को belong करती है, किसी की होती है, किसी की प्रॉपर्टी है. belong करना means किसी का होना. So we are going to study about that. Look at the pictures, read the sentences. Now look very carefully in your book, children. The first picture. This is my dog. Now there's a man sitting over there and he's got a dog. He is telling us, this is my dog. ये मेरा dog है. Next picture. That is her dog. Now you can see two little children. First picture के नीचे, just below the picture, two children are there. That is her dog. That boy, that little boy is pointing out and saying that is her dog. वह उसका dog है. उस girl को belong करता है वो dog. Next, below that we have a picture. That is their dog. वो उन सब का डॉग है. उन 2 children are there, more than one, their dog. Then there is another picture which says that is his dog. So children, now look very carefully to the words which are written in purple color. First picture, that box you see, my, my. Next, her, her. Next, his, his. Then their. इस पेज पर we got 1, 2, 3, 4 words. They are telling us to whom those objects or things belong to. किसकी चीजें हैं वो हमें इन वर्ड्स से पता चलता है. अगर now look at me, look up all of you. For example, your pencil. आप अपनी फ्रेंड को जब पेंसिल देते हैं तो आप बोलते हैं this is my pencil. When you share your things with others, you say this is mine. ये मेरा है, but I am sharing with you. For example, अगर क्लास में आप अपने फ्रेंड के साथ पेंसिल, इरेजर, शार्पनर शेयर करते हैं तो you are sharing your things. जो आपको belong करती है चीज, उसको आप किसी और के साथ शेयर कर रहे हैं. Manvi, pay attention. So these words, my, her, his, their, ये हमें बता रहे हैं कोई चीज किसी और को belong करती है. They help us to know who those things are belonging to. Now see, on the next page you have 2 more pictures, children. On page number 29. Now here the children are having a little conversation. One little boy, you can see he is giving a bath to the dog. Can you see the picture, children? Okay. Is that your dog? Now one of his friend, he's standing there and he's asking him a question. Is that your dog? क्या वो आपका dog है? So the other child says, yes, this is my dog. अब look at the 2 words, your and my. जब उसने क्वेश्चन पूछा, उसने बोला is that your dog? वो डॉग की तरफ उसने पॉइंट करके पूछा is that your dog? क्या वो आपका डॉग है? तो उसने आंसर में बोला yes, this is my dog. ये मेरा डॉग है. So those words your and my are showing the belongingness. किसका है वो? Next picture, that is its bone. Now remember, जब हम लोग प्रोनाउंस कर रहे थे तब हमने पढ़ा था it we use for things and animals. So that is its bone. See that girl in the picture? She is pointing out to that dog and she is saying that is its bone. वो उसकी bone है, उस डॉगी को belong करती है वो bone. Right? Now let's read what's written there, children. The words my, our, his, her, your, its and their tell us to whom a particular thing or person belongs. मतलब ये सारे वर्ड्स हमें बताते हैं कि कोई चीज किसको belong कर रही है, किसकी है. Now let me tell you one thing over here, children. These are also known as possessive pronouns. ये जो words हैं इनको हम possessive pronoun के नाम से जानते हैं. Okay? Now we have a table given here. जब हम questions और sentences करते हैं तो we are making use of these words to show the belongingness. Now I becomes my. We, our. You, your. She, her. He, his. It, its. They, their. Now when you look at these sentences below, children, then you will understand them better. See the first sentence, where is, उसके बाद ब्रैकेट में I लिखा है, एक ब्लैंक है और पेंसिल बॉक्स. नाउ अगर हम इस सेंटेंस को पढ़ेंगे I यूज करके, नाउ लिसन केयरफुली, वेयर इज I पेंसिल बॉक्स? When you are talking to your friends, अगर क्लास में या घर पे आप मम्मी से पूछेंगे वेयर इज द, आप पेंसिल बॉक्स के लिए पूछ रहे हैं, तो आप क्या बोलेंगे? वेयर इज माई पेंसिल बॉक्स, या आप बोलेंगे वेयर इज आई पेंसिल बॉक्स? लिसन केयरफुली, वेयर इज आई पेंसिल बॉक्स और वेयर इज माई पेंसिल बॉक्स? क्योंकि आप अपना पेंसिल बॉक्स ढूंढ रहे, यू आर लुकिंग फॉर योर पेंसिल बॉक्स, तो उसमें आप आई यूज
Ma'am,
करेंगे
page number.
या माई?
Where is my pencil box?
Page number 29. Yes, Shanawaz, you have answered it correctly. But remember, you only have to raise your hand. When you know the answer, you have to raise your hand. Okay, Shanawaz has given the correct answer. We will say, where is my pencil box? So write over there, M-Y, my. Take your pencil and write M-Y, my. Where is my pencil box? That is the correct one. Now come to the next. Listen very carefully. Where is you car? और ऊपर वाले टेबल से ध्यान दीजिएगा. Look at that table. YOU के सामने YOUR your लिखा है. You will become your. Where is you car or where is your car? Which is the correct one? Hania, which is the correct? Where is you car हम बोलेंगे या हम बोलेंगे where is your car?
Ma'am, your car.
Okay, Sayansh, you have given the correct answer, child. But I had asked Hania, she was not able to unmute, I think, on time. Okay, the correct answer is your. Put over there YOUR, your, children. When you finish, give me a thumbs up so that I know that you finished, child. Okay, that's nice. Moving on to the next one. The word there is in the bracket, she. Mother is a doctor. Now again, looking up at the table, in front of she you have her. She will become her. So what are we going to write over there? She mother is a doctor or her mother is a doctor?
हर का सही होगा. हर का सही होगा.
Bhavika, Aishika, you are supposed to raise your hands. Okay, don't forget your class manners. Okay, yes, you've given the answer. Her mother is a doctor. Right over there, children. Her mother is a doctor. Next sentence. Their school is in Basant Vihar. Again, look at the words on top. They becomes their. So we are going to write they or their school is in Basant Vihar. Yes, Satakshi? They will change.
Ma'am, there.
There. Very good. THEIR. Children, over here, I would like to tell you something. THERE there होता है और THEIR there. Pronunciation में difference है, ध्यान रखिएगा. और meaning भी. THEIR there means उनका, किसी को belong करना. And THERE there means जब हम किसी चीज की position या place बता रहे होते, तब हम THERE there use करते हैं. Remember the spellings and the difference. Okay.
No.
Moving on to the next one. I received a postcard from I family or my family. Yes, Arav.
Ma'am,
Yes, Bhavika.
my family.
Okay. I received a postcard from my family. Write there, my children. When you finish, give me a thumbs up so that we can continue. Okay. Now the next one. Now Vani will give me the answer to the next one. Vani, unmute yourself. The boy is doing, brackets you have he and then homework. Now he will become what in the sentence? Look at that table on top. The boy is doing he or his homework. What will come there?
His.
His. Very good. All of you write there, children. All right. Moving on to the next one. Arjun. Arjun, are you there in the meeting? Listen to the next one. The bees are building. The bees are building. They and hive. All of you know what is a hive? The bee hive. The bees make a hive. So they will change into
There.
there. Very good. Right there. THEIR there. The bees are building their hive. Bees अपना hive बना रहे हैं. Now before we move to the next page, you write learn on that table which is given there and this exercise. Both the places you write learn, children. Remember the spelling of learn, L-E-A-R-N. On both the exercises write learn. Then you turn the page to page 30. Page number 3030. Okay, now the next one. Next one. Now Emma Shafridi is going to answer the next one. Emma, be ready.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you give me you blue sketch pen or can you give me your blue sketch pen? We will fill in the blank with you or your.
You.
Can you give me you? जब आप किसी से कोई चीज मांग रहे हैं तो वो चीज आपकी नहीं है, किसी और की है. जिससे आप मांग रहे हैं सामने वाले से उसका पेन है, स्केच पेन है, तो आप उसको बोलेंगे कैन यू गिव मी यू ब्लू स्केच पेन या कैन यू गिव मी योर ब्लू स्केच पेन. Your. Very good. So write over there your children. Children, you have to think. Okay, you have to think and you have to learn up that table. You will become your. उस टेबल को अच्छे से लर्न कर लीजिएगा. Moving on to the next one. Ishi, are you there? Come on, let's have the next one from you. Emma, you can unmute yourself now. Ishi, let's have the next one from you. Yes, Ishi. School is fantastic. Listen carefully. School is fantastic or our school is fantastic?
R, ma'am.
R. Very good. O-U-R-R. Remember this also. A-R-E-R और O-U-R-R. इसमें भी आप लोग बहुत mistakes करते हैं. Remember that. O-U-R-R means हमारा, belonging to us. Next one. Next one. Now Arnav is there. Arnav, answer the next one. Bhavika, mute yourself. Arnav, are you there?
Yes.
Okay, Arnav, listen to the next one, child. Mary loves she grandmother very much or Mary loves her grandmother very much? मेरी
मैम
की ग्रैंडमदर है, तो मेरी को बिलोंग करती है वो ग्रैंडमदर, सो इट विल बी शी और हर.
हर
Her. Okay, good. Mary loves her grandmother very much. Put there her, children. And remember, you have to learn up this. All right. Now with that, we come to the end of your English period. Make sure you revise all this. I will be sending you a video which will help you to understand this better. You can see that video, you can enjoy it also and learn from there. Right? Now we finish with our English language period. Thank you. We'll meet again in the next period, in the next class.